Investec Derby Festival about to get underway. And there are fan racing. Classic Calori was restrained on jumping out of the stalls. Harrison George, with a white face, is one of those that shows up early with Ordnance Row as they race through the first furlong. Alexandros and Bushman race third and fourth. Bushman the grey pressing on. Mabate is just posted a little wide on the outside of the checker and just struggling to get in. As the pace now steadies, as Ordnance Row grabs hold out in front. Penitent, Classic Calori. At the rear of the field is Beecham Xerxes. So they're preparing now to turn and race downhill, with Ordnance Row leading by a length from Harrison George and Bushman racing in third. The blue colours of Alexandros in fourth, ahead of the checker in fifth, from Penitent, who races in sixth place. Behind these, Mabate, who had to go back in order to get some cover, but is now racing just one off the rail on the outer of Penitent. Beecham Xerxes and Classic Calori at the rear of the field. But the pace is not that strong as they prepare to turn at Tattenham Corner. Ordnance Row leading from Bushman, the grey in second place. Harrison George in third from Alexandros, and the checker, who came down the hill well and moves through to dispute third place. Penitent and Mabate are the next two. Then Beecham Xerxes and Classic Calori. Mabate just being shaken up as Ordnance Row leads with just over 2 furlongs to travel. Ordnance Row kicks from the front, finds a length and a half. Bushman is in second place. Then towards the outside, the checker. Alexandros hanging down the camber. Harrison George, Mabate is now beginning to stay on towards the outside. Ordnance Row pressed by Bushman. Then the checker, Alexandros and Mabate continuing to make ground, but Bushman has hit the front. Alexandros on the outside. Mabate in the yellow colours. Bushman narrowly. Alexandros and Mabate are after the leader. Bushman hanging down the camber. Alexandros getting to within a head, but Bushman pulls out more and won the Diomed. Bushman beat Alexandros. Mabate was third. The checker, Beecham Xerxes, and back in sixth, Ordnance Row.
Bushman has won. William Buick rides the Diomed winner 2009 for David Sincock. A bold shout from the trainer to run him on this kind of ground in a downhill track, and it has paid off massively. The horse was tenacious, and he has beaten Alexandros, who was having to concede weight, but was hanging more pertinently to his left on the camber throughout.